Have you just registered for CACET? CSEET is now compulsory whether you finished plus 2, whether you finished degree, and this exam is compulsory for everyone who wants to become a company secretary. So at Excel Academy we are having live classes for CSEET. Our first batch is going great. The students are loving the classes, the teachers are loving the classes, and personally this experience has been the best for me because in the live class students are able to ask questions. As a teacher we can answer the questions immediately, and also since there is interaction, the learning is much more deep and also enjoyable, and it feels just like a physical class. In fact, all the batch students of the CACET which we are doing live classes, they have all become great friends, and we are also having sessions where students interact with each other, not just the teacher. We call this as peer-to-peer learning, where students are discussing topics on a particular subject, and then the teacher will give the clarification at the end of the class. This way the learning is amazing. So what is special at Excel Academy's CACET live classes? First of all, it is live classes. You have the best lecturers for all the subjects, and we have MCQ which we are analyzing. We are giving you notes, we are giving you everyday homework, classes are on a daily basis. So everyone is competing with each other and studying in a very what you can say holistic manner and also healthy manner. That is why I would invite you to join CSEET Excel Academy second batch of live training. And if you want to know how good the classes are, we have a document in the description below that has the feedback and testimonial of all the students. We are very happy that all the students of CACET live classes are very happy with our coaching, and we are also very happy with them. Now, why should you choose Excel Academy? First thing is all the classes will be in English. See, tomorrow, even when you go for the corporate world, you should learn English, and all our classes, not just the English class, legal aptitude, logical reasoning, economics, business environment, and current affairs, everything, all these classes will be in English. So you will be very well prepared for the exam. And moreover, since there is live interaction, you will be able to solve all your doubts. Then you have homework, then you get lot of friends where you're interacting with each other. Most of the other classes, what is happening is it is just one-way communication where okay, that could be live, or it could even be some of the free classes which you are getting nowadays, but there is no learning which is happening. It is just one way. But in Excel Academies, it is the student and teacher is interacting, and you're going to get homework, and you're learning the subject very in depth. Even students are giving presentations in our live classes. So just like a real college or a physical coaching center, how it happens, that experience you're getting. And if you still want to know more, we have our numbers in the description below. You can call us on our numbers and you can enroll. And to register, again, we have the link in the description box. You can register for the CACET second batch for the live training. And this is really going to help you do very well in CACET. And you are also studying many of the subjects of executive in CACET already. We are going that deep. We are going very deep into the subject, and you can even ask our students who have already attended the first batch. So ensure that to do well in your CACET exam, don't worry when the exam will be there, it's so uncertain. Anyway, you have to prepare, whether it is August, whether it is November, whether it is December, whenever the exams are there, you have to prepare and you should be well. And we are very sure that once you enroll for CACET, not only you will do well, you will have a very high chance of getting a rank for CACET exams, because that is the depth in which we are studying. It is a very closed group and it is interactive. Everybody knows each other, and this way you will be able to excel in the subjects. So ensure you enroll for Excel Academy CACET live classes and excel in CACET. And for more such videos, please do subscribe to Excel Academy, your one-stop solution for CS course. And all the links are in the description below. Don't miss out on checking out them. Thank you.